In this video, we're going to look into PDF Extract Kit, a comprehensive toolkit for high quality PDF content extraction. So the main idea behind this is, of course, extracting information from various complicated looking PDFs so that at the end we can get a JSON output that we can use to do various different things. Now, those various different things can be processing PDFs for LLM input, for example, if you want to pre-train it, or maybe you want to use that to extract data for fine-tuning, or maybe you just want to use that for other non-use cases that can be OCR extraction and many other use cases. Now, this whole toolkit is kind of based around different LLM or different deep learning models, such as Layout LM v3, one of my oldest videos on my channel, using formula detection using YOLO v8, formula recognition, table recognition, and optical character recognition using parallel OCR. So a concoction of different high-performant components added together into a unified framework. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Now, let's get started. By the way, I make similar videos like these on LLMs, machine learning, and other data science tools. So please feel free to subscribe. So we're going to break this tutorial down into two main steps. We're going to install the packages. And of course, using the package, we're going to extract it from the PDF. So first things first, we're going to clone into this repository. This is the PDF extract kit. And then we're going to cd into it and install the requirements that is provided inside of this package. And then we're going to download the models we will need to make some inferences. Okay, now everything has been downloaded. Now we can finally start to extract some information from a PDF. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to use a PDF. We're going to be using the very old original Attention is All You Need PDF, where they actually talk about transform architecture and everything, or they first introduced, so we can use that. And then we can use wget to download it into our directory. And then all we really have to do is simply call python pdf extract.py, and then we just pass in the PDF as a command. And because we are already residing into the directory that we want, so we just have to write --pdf, pass in the PDF name. And all we really have to do is just wait around for it to do its magic. Now, I just want to quickly mention that we are using a free version of Google Colab, so you guys don't have to spend any fancy GPU, any fancy money to extract relevant information from your PDFs. And then after this is done being extracted, we are going to use a JSON tool to extract all the information that we get from this PDF and save that in a JSON file. And to do that, we're going to queue another command from this package, json.tool. We pass in the name of the PDF we want to save it as, and then in the output directory. So we're going to queue that as well. Now, all we really have to do is just sit down and wait. Okay, there you guys have it. There is the JSON with different stuff that they found inside of the PDF, where they extracted the text and get some scores out of it, and also detected various polygons inside of the PDFs, so you can pinpoint where it's from. And at the end, we can get a output from the model, or from the toolkit, I should say. And here's this saved JSON. Now, this can be used to format however you guys want in order to train your LLM, maybe extract information from a PDF, or do whichever use case you guys think this would be appropriate for. All right, guys, hope you found this video insightful. If you guys did, please feel free to subscribe. I make similar videos like these. All right, guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day.